Okay, another little Lightroom session. So I have already loaded the photo up, and this is a lovely photo of my very messy desk, but I'm in the middle of an edit, and I want to post this to my work Instagram. So this won't go on my main Instagram channel, but it will go on my work Instagram channel. So first things I'm going to do is I'm going to want to sort the cropping edge out here because it's not so good over here. I want to get rid of all this stuff and probably make something with all the stuff up there. So I think the first thing will be probably to straighten this up. So let's just crop and straighten and see what it does. It's doing a bit too much over that side, so what I'm gonna do is come down here, and that's too much. So maybe we'll just crop in there. That's good, and then shape-wise we will do to there. Oops, a daisy. Didn't want to do that. Shape-wise we'll do there. That'll be about right. Okay, gosh, we're already a minute in. So, light, we are going to drop the shadows, because I don't want those shadows visible. I'm immediately going to go and bring some clarity and some that in there. We should probably add some vibrance in the color as well. And we also need to go back and drop the highlights, because the highlights is what makes the screen go dim, and then we'll bring the total exposure up a little bit. There we go. Always like a bit of vignetting, so I'll do that. And then we'll check before and after, before, after, before, after. Oh, my desk is such a mess. There's still a couple of spots up here that I might just try. So at this stage, what I'll do is I will go and add a spot. Get this spot here, and we will just do that there. And here we will bring the highlights down again. And we'll just check that. That's down again. Yeah, that's okay. And we'll probably duplicate this and put this over here as well. And just check that as well. Yeah, that's nice. How's that overall thing looking? Yeah, that looks not too bad. Always like to play and see whether I want it in black and white as well. But I'm not sure I will this time. No, let's bring the color back. In fact, let's bring the color back and up the vibrancy, and maybe just make it a touch warmer. And a little less green. There we go. Okay, way over my 2-minute mark, but how's about you? Check before and after, before and after. Not a very dramatic one, but there you go.